And moving on to Gujarat, where the first phase of the civic polls are being held with 6 municipal corporations going to polls amid tight security. These elections are crucial for Chief Minister of the state, Anandiben Patel, as it will be her first political test after she was chosen as the successor of Narendra Modi. As a run-up to the polls, the Chief Minister has been facing a stiff challenge from her own community, the Patidars, who've been agitating, demanding reservations in government jobs and educational institutions.
Amidst tight security, polling has begun for six municipal corporations across the state. In fact, we are right now outside the Shilaj polling booth here on the outskirts of Ahmedabad, where the Chief Minister Anandiben Patel just some time back cast her vote. And in fact, after casting her vote, she came out, he spoke briefly to the media, claiming that there was a wave in favor of the BJP and the party would emerge victorious. But clearly on the ground, a stiff challenge for the Chief Minister. In fact, this is the first time that elections are being held when the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is not around, he is not campaigned. So clearly it's a leadership test for Anandiben Patel. It's the first time that elections are being held under her leadership. And clearly she has been for the last 2 months facing the Patel agitation, the ire from the Patel community, the Patidar community to which she belongs. So clearly for the Chief Minister, it will be her first political test when the results do come in on 2nd of December, but hoping that in these two-phased elections, today being the first phase where 6 municipal corporations go to polls, and also on 29th when Nagar Palika and Taluka Panchayat go to polls, the results once they are out clearly will establish whether she has managed to actually hold the fort together, because this is their bastion. They are currently holding these 6 municipal corporations and also majority of the Taluka Panchayat. So clearly it will be a leadership test for Anandiben Patel. In Ahmedabad, with camera person Pramod Arya, Rohit Bhan for NDTV.